Building your own gaming PC. Welcome to our video on building your own gaming PC from scratch. Get ready to level up your gaming experience with a custom built machine. The first step is selecting the right components. Processor, graphics card, motherboard, RAM, storage, power supply unit, case, cooling system. Research each component for compatibility and to meet your gaming requirements. Unbox your components in a clean, well-lit workspace with the necessary tools. Install the CPU, RAM and M.2 storage following the manufacturer's instruction. Remember to ground yourself to avoid static damage. Install the motherboard inside the case, aligning the I/O ports with the rear panel. Secure it firmly with the provided screws. Install the power supply unit and connect cables to motherboard GPU storage. Attach the GPU securely and connect the necessary cables. Connect the storage devices and set the boot order in the BIOS. Neatly route cables behind the motherboard tray and secure them with cable ties. This ensures proper airflow and a clean, organized build. Attach the CPU cooler and apply thermal paste before placing it on the CPU. Install case fans for optimal airflow and cooling services. Close the case and double check all connections and cables. Connect your peripherals like the monitor, keyboard, mouse. Power on your new gaming PC and listen for the statistic count. Install necessary drivers and software for optimal performance. Now you are ready to level up your gaming experience with your custom built PC. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe.